Hello everyone, welcome back to the HTAB YouTube channel. Today you find me back here on the model railway, and we're not taking a look at a specific model or a locomotive or a coach today. In fact, we're adding some details to the railway, and it's in the form of these. The Peco gas lamp posts, 8 set obviously for OO and HO scale. They're made in England, that's a good sign, and the products themselves look like this. Yes, they're just little tiny lamps, 3 components, they're snap fit together, no glue required. We've got the little stalk thing there on the bottom, then we've got the actual lamp itself, and then a piece of plastic which goes on top. So they all just clip together and they fit together nice and tightly. I've already got a few of these, they're older ones on the railway. I've got them in front of the engine shed there, as you can see, but I wanted some more, and well, I received some more for Christmas, so I thought it'd be appropriate to film me adding them to the railway and, well, showing you how I do it basically. I've got a rough idea of where I want to put them. I want to put them around the bus station area over there. As you can see, there's plenty of buses and stuff there already. And personally, I think detail and added extra detail to railways makes it better. So that's what we're going to do now. So then, the bus station has now been cleared and all the buses have gone on various routes. Let's just say that anyway, they haven't, they're just out of frame. But as you can see here along this brick wall at the back, there's sort of a blank canvas for where these street lamps can go. Well, 3 of them. So I want to put one here to the left of this bus shelter, I want to put one in between the bus shelters here, and one to the right of the bus shelters between there and where the building itself is. So I'm using Yoo-Hoo, the all-purpose adhesive glue for this. I'm just going to, out of shot, stick some glue on the bottom of this. You really don't need to see me applying some glue to the bottom of a, well, lamp, because that's fairly boring. More boring than the idea of this video itself, but that's fine. So, with that said, we're going to apply one just here, like that. So, carefully pop that in place. As you can see there, that's gone very nicely in position. And then, as I add more glue, out of shot, but again, you don't need to see that because it's just me applying glue. It's fairly stringy, this glue though, that's the only downside to Yoo-Hoo, but that's fine. I'll apply one here in the corner, just like that. Does that look fine? Yeah, I think so. And then, again, believe it or not, for the 3rd time, the glue is stringing everywhere out of frame. That's probably what that concerning sound was I just made. Just add a little bit of stringiest glueus to the bottom of the lamp. And we will add that one just here to the right of this bus shelter. Obviously, bus stations and model railways in general, not just bus stations, but the basic principle of a model railway is something that you can bring to life, like a model that you can bring to life. The little details like this just, well, make that detail shine, if you will. It just adds that another layer of things that people can look at, basically. So, now we've applied it here, I think I've got some other areas around the railway that I'd like to add some lights to, and we've got, well, 5 lights left, so should we do that? I think the answer is yes. Right, like I said a minute ago, we're going to be this side of the railway now, near towards the Wick station end of the layout. And I'm going to add a couple of lamps along here. So one here outside where the public convenience cells are, there to the left, and one near the bus shelter to the right. So, in fact, I'm going to move these cars out of the way because I don't want to accidentally get glue all over them. That wouldn't be the preferred look for the model cars on my railway. I'm sure the people wouldn't be very happy if they come back to their car and some buffoon had coloured them in Yoo-Hoo all-purpose glue. So, again, for the, believe it or not, 4th time now in the video, I'm going to apply some glue to them. Wow. Cut to a, well, behind-the-scenes look of me putting some glue on it, so you can actually see what I'm doing. I said a minute ago I wouldn't, but look, it's me doing gluing. Wow. Right, apply that here, where we're putting it to the back of the path. A little bit fiddly, but it should theoretically stick. That's the whole purpose of said glue. Put that there, like that. I don't want it wonky, that looks fairly atrocious. Right, that one's there. And as you show the same piece of me gluing a piece of plastic, again, this time for the 5th time, I'll apply the other lamp here, like this. Look at that, magic. Right, where are we putting it? Same level. Just looking over them to make sure they're on the same sort of, well, level as each other, because I don't want them to be... Is that roughly the same? Maybe push it back a little bit, just to the... so they look fairly symmetrical. Right then, that's the end of this video. I've applied all the way to them lamps around the railway, and it really brings it to life. The little scenes now have got some light, and people can actually see when they get on the bus, when they walk down the street, and well, when actual humans are looking at it with their own eyes. It just brings that added bit of detail to the railway. So, if you've enjoyed this, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.